Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So this weekend I am working on this Kwik sew pattern. It is Kwik sew 3597. There's a simplicity version on this pattern. If I remember, I'll link the simplicity version in the description box below. But making the tote bag, and I'm going to color block it. The bottom is going to be this quilted fabric and the top is going to be this auburn fabric for my aunt. So I make my pattern pieces, so I cut, you know, the bottom half, and then I have the top half, and then I also draw out a lining. So that'll be already drawn out, and then I just use the handle and the facing from the pattern. But that saves me a lot of time, having my own pattern drawn out for this tote bag. I can't remember when I started making these, but I started making these a while ago, and I just like the color block look. This pattern has gotten a lot of love. You see my envelope is all tore up. I do need to go get some lining fabric. I wish Hobby Lobby was having a 40% off this week, but they're not, so I'm going to have to go to Joann and see if I can find some fabric on sale or a coupon, because I need some blue fabric. I had some orange in my stash, but I don't have enough, and I don't really want to do orange as the lining, so I'm going to go find some blue lining fabric today. Also probably check out the McCall sale, see what they got, see if the new patterns are out. So I'll take you all along on my day with me. My outfit of the day is nothing special. You've seen it before. It's one of my jogger sets. So one of my mini jogger sets. Alright, so I'll take you all along with me. Alright, so I'm back home. I got the lining fabric that I need to finish the bag. I also got this McCall's 8467. I forgot to get it the last time McCall's was on sale, so as I was checking out, I remembered you bought this in PDF form. But I ended up getting it anyway. The patterns are $2.99 now, from my understanding. So this was $2.99, yes. So I grabbed this, but they didn't have the new patterns out, so this is the only thing I grabbed. So I have two of these, one in PDF and one in regular. And then I got, this was from Hobby Lobby. Let's see. It is a, if I can bring it out a little bit. It's a matte velvet. It feels so good. It was like in their clearance section. It was $3 a yard. She gave me a discount because it had a little hole in it. So it was a little over 2 yards, but she only charged me for a yard and 3/4 because of the hole. So yep, this feels amazing. I wish I had enough to make a whole set, but I'm probably only gonna have enough to make like a hoodie or something. Fingers crossed. But yeah, it feels amazing. It's a matte velvet. But that is all I got on my adventure out today. I'm back home, so I'm gonna eat me some lunch and then finish up that tote bag. Okay. My camera stopped. I don't know why, but I got the bottom half sewn to the top part. I got the handle sewn, and then those other two things I was sewing was the pockets. So let's go ahead and put these handles on, and then I'll base those in place. And then I will sew the outside of the bag together, and that part will be done. And all I have to do is add those pockets to the lining, add the magnetic snap to the lining, along with the facing as well. So I gotta add the facing, the pockets, and the magnetic snap to the lining. Sew up the lining, and then the bag will be done. But first, sew the handles on both sides of this bag. Both sides of the outside, basically. The outside of the bag is done. Now I just got to work on the lining, and then put the lining and the outside together, and then the bag will be done. Alright, so this is what we got so far. These are my pockets over here that I have to add to the lining. But yeah, so far so good. Nice big tote bag. It's huge. Alright, so I'll get started on the lining. Alright, so just gotta add the mane to the lining. Sew it up and I'll be done. I actually miss making tote bags, and this one didn't take me long at all. All right, let's see. I like this part. This means I'm almost done. Alright, so all I have to do is close this opening and sew up this opening, tuck the lining on the inside of the bag, and I'll be done. After I get this in here, I'm going to top stitch around it, and then that will be it. Well, it's all done. So I'll take a picture and send it to my aunt and hope she likes it. I think this is all I'm doing that's sewing related this weekend. Everything else is crafting related. So I can bring that up. Yeah, everything else is crafting related. Stickers and planning and stuff like that. So thank you so much for coming along with me. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.